Hi guys, this is Dhiren. Welcome back to my channel GI Tech Creator. Guys, today in this video I am going to show how to connect your broadband internet to your smart TV. You can see guys, this is the Jio optic fiber device and this is the Cat 6 cable, RJ45 cable. So guys, how to connect your broadband internet to your smart TV and how to browse the internet in your smart TV. So guys, let's watch the full video. So guys, as you can see here, this is the 32-inch LED smart TV guys, you can see, and this is the Cat 6 RJ45 and this is the Jio optic fiber device. So guys, as you can see here, connect the RJ45 cable, you can see guys. Now guys, this is the port, RJ45 Cat 6 port, you can see guys. Now so guys, now power on the TV, you can see guys, and this is the remote. Go to the home, you can see guys, and go to the setting, you can see guys, your TV is successfully connected to the internet. So guys, now you can browse the internet. Now go to the home, you can see guys, this is the home, click, you can browse the YouTube, you can see guys, YouTube, browse, you can see guys. News, home, search, music, gaming. For connect with Wi-Fi, you can disconnect the cable, this cable, disconnect this cable. I will show you now how to connect with a Wi-Fi. So guys, now go to the setting and B network setting, so click, and then you can see guys, cable connection failed. Now check the connection, and then click OK, easy connection, OK. Then click, you can see Jio Fiber. Click OK, and you can see guys, put the password. Now next. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe this channel, like, comment and share.